guys, the office organizational process continues, and I'm going to share some more finds. I did this show a while ago called Castle, and I played this really, really fun character who was like this over-the-top actress. Her name was Nikki Heat. I found, look, it's all like curled up. I found the headshot from the show, which was so funny. And then in the storyline, they had this this movie poster of a movie that she did. Hell's Crawl Space. The eyes, you need the eyes there. So this is, was used in the storyline as one of her movies that she did. And I found these all rolled up, so that was a fun little surprise. This is something that I wanted to share with you. I keep this on my desk all the time. My father was an orthopedic surgeon, and when he passed, this was given to me, and I keep it on my desk all the time because this was his doctor plaque that sat on his desk. So I keep this one on my desk. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. This is a bottle of champagne. I mean, it's literally like twice the size of my head. It's huge. I have no idea where it's from. I have no idea why I have it, but apparently it was for celebrating something. I have no idea what it is. I don't even know if it's still good. I mean, in the moves and stuff, I'm sure the temperature, it's probably not, unfortunately, but I don't know. Maybe I have to try that. Maybe I'll open it once my product line launches. This will be my little toast, a big toast. This is a big toast. But anyway, so I found this cool. This is this other thing I wanted to share with you guys. This was such a special moment in my career. This is when the top of the Empire State Building turned orange. For orange is the new black. And being from, I grew up in Jersey, and being that I, grew up half an hour from Manhattan, and it was always like so close to touch, and you always wanted any excuse to like get to the city. The fact that the Empire State Building was turned orange because of a project that I was a part of, so incredible and huge. So this Netflix framed it and sent it to us as a gift. And it's just means so much to me. So this is definitely going on my wall. I'm going to hang this because it's just such a special, incredible moment. Such a special, incredible show. So that's just like a really great memory. So that's what we got this time. Thank you guys for being here with me. I love sharing this stuff with you guys. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up a new video. And I'll see you guys soon.